So, hello everyone, and we're going to talk about integers, but only we were only focusing first on the addition and subtraction of integers. So, which is, here are the rules first before we answer anything here from 1 to 10. So, if you add positive to positive, of course it will be positive. The result here will be positive. But of course, if you are dealing with negative to negative, of course you will have a negative answer. In which case, the operation will be on an addition, but of course the sign is negative. But if positive to negative, negative to positive, that depends on the highest sign of the number, which means, for example, if you have negative 6 plus 4, you will have, of course, 2 negative 2, because the highest number is 6 rather than 4. So let's answer some of the examples here. So what we have here is, of course, 20 plus negative 17 plus 8 plus 13. So right away we can now subtract this. So 20 minus 17 is, of course, 3. And of course it will be a positive because the biggest number here is 20. So we will have 3 plus 8 is, of course, this will be 11. Then 11 plus 13 is 24. It is our final answer right here in number 1. So here 3 plus 8 is, of course, 11, then plus 13 equals to 24. So how about here in number 2? Here in number 2, since these are both negative, since we said this will be an operation of addition, but the result is negative, so this will be 5 plus 2, 7. But of course, it is both negative, so we're gonna put negative 7 here. But how about here? They are both negative, but the operation is negative. So what will you do here is, of course, if negative to negative meet, this will be a positive one. So therefore, your new operation is negative 7 plus 6, which in case the final answer is negative 1. Since the higher number with the negative sign is 7, so this will cause to negative 1. But how about 7 minus 7? Of course, this will be 0. How about 1 minus 2? Same thing here. 1 minus 2 will be a negative answer because the negative here, that which is the largest number, is, of course, 2. So therefore, this will be negative 1. How about here? Simple addition, 40. And this will be 58. And then plus 2, just 60. But how about here? Of course, we can now do this instantly. Negative 2 plus 10, so minus this will be just 10. Positive because the 12 is much more larger than negative 2. This will be 10. And then 10 minus 5 equals to 5. And then 5 plus 19 is, of course, 24. But how about here? 0, we just not include. 12 plus 12, 24. Minus 8 is, of course, 8, 16, 24. So 16. Positive 16 since because negative 8 is much more lower than 24. So about here, 12 and then 4. This will be like an addition of operation because this is both negative to negative. So this will be negative 16 plus 16. Of course, this will be equal to 0, thus leaving you with 15. Negative 16 plus 16 will be 0. How about this in the last number? Since this is both negative, so we will just add this just like we did in number 2. So this will be negative 10. 6 plus 4, 10, but of course negative, so negative. So hope you did learn something here new today. So thank you.